My name is Joyce Clue. I'm the founder of Mobile Alert Toilets, also known as MAT. MAT is a social business that improves overflowing pit latrines in low-income areas of Kenya, including the urban slums. We work in both communities and schools with sanitation challenges. One such school with over 250 children is Ryeeda CBO, located in Korogocho slums, Nairobi. We spoke with the children and the head teacher about some of the sanitation challenges which they shared with us.
My name is Timothy Chebukul. I am grade 5. My school is Ryeeda School. If we are going toilet, we make a line like we are going in the bank. Our toilet is very dirty.
So when the pit latrine is full, it makes the learning environment very, very difficult for the kids because the smell that comes out interferes with the concentration of learners in the classrooms. The overflowing and also with the maggots also becomes a health issue. The pit is big and it's posing a challenge to the preschool children. So they can't use that opening because we have had instances or cases where when some of them visit the latrine, they slide into the pit. We don't have enough space where the girl child can change, particularly when they're having the menstruation. So that's a very big challenge, and that's why you are even seeing our enrollment has more boys than girls, because some girls in the process of attending to their menstruation and they have no space to change, they go back home to go and change the pads.
In addition to these challenges, the latrine was emptied by manual scooping and the waste dumped into the nearby Nairobi River. We reconstructed and improved the existing structure. The slab was reinforced with concrete and ventilation blocks were fixed at the top to provide aeration and lighting. To prevent children from falling into the pit, squatting pans were also installed. We also restored privacy, especially for adolescent girls, by adding doors with locks. Additionally, we installed a water level sensor. The sensor detects the fill level of the pit and saves the information in the cloud, which in turn sends an SMS to alert us on dislodging time and therefore preventing overflowing. The waste is then collected using an exhauster truck and is safely disposed. Today we are here at Ryeeda CBO School, where with the support and funding from Toilets for All, we have managed to reconstruct a previously overflowing pit latrine to the current status, which is clean, safe, and hygiene for school children. The completed latrine has a new roof, lockable doors with clear demarcations of boys and girls. The inside has tiles, a ventilator, and squatting pans. Furthermore, through Toilets for All, MSR Global Health has donated 2 hand washing stations. We have also provided 2 to 3 weeks supply of soap, and the school administration will continue to provide soap and water beyond this period. This will ensure that children have clean water and soap for hand washing throughout, especially during this time of the global COVID-19 pandemic. MAT is sincerely grateful to Toilets for All for their tremendous support in renovating and improving the latrine, and to MSR Global Health for donating the 2 hand washing stations. These have made a huge impact in the lives of 257 school children and their teachers. There's still a lot of need in many other schools, and we look forward to more partnerships and support in order to reach out to as many other children as possible. For more information, please visit our website and social media pages.